Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Take My Tack, the app to buy and sell second or new horse tack. When opening the app for the first time, allow notifications so you get live alerts on all the app activity. When you're in the app, you are free to browse, but let's get into how to set up an account. It's very simple. Enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Accept the T's and C's, which can also be viewed, and complete the captcha verification. You will receive an OTP to confirm your email address, and once entered, you're good to go. This is your buyer profile. You can create a separate seller profile by clicking Register to Sell. Otherwise, add and manage your delivery addresses. View any direct inquiries you have started with sellers. View and create support tickets. Visit and contribute to our online magazine Tack Talk. Subscribe to our newsletter. Edit your profile and see your orders and wish list. In the next tutorial, let's look at how to create a seller profile. That's it. Thanks for watching.